up with this? Well, here we are for the new episode on the bottom plates and the reinforcement struts and everything else that we need to replace. Nah. But first up, let's hit it for a quick whiteboard update on how many hours that are already in the project and how many hours we're going to spend on it for this episode. Okay, we're a couple of days or weeks further since we filled in the last time, so let me check real quick because I put everything on the phone on the hours and pictures so we can see how many hours that we got into the project. So let me see first and then write them down and count them up till how far we are today. So okay, that's all the hours in. Last week was finally a good week again and we're already on 11, 18, 25 hours. We're already on to 25 hours for this month. Today is already Friday, so this week again just 1 week, 1 day of work on the Kadett because I have too much work in the shop right now. That's a good thing, but for the YouTube game it's a little sad that we only have 1 day of work on the Kadett for today. So quickly, hurry up and let's get some stuff done. Well, and already a lot of you have been asking, when are we going to put some merch online? Well, today is the day that the pre-order starts of the sweaters. We've got the NonStandard sweaters online in the web shop, link in the description below. So get yours in the pre-order and we keep you up to date on when they will ship out. Okay, so now up to the trailing arms. One side is done. Let's quickly fix the other side on the pieces we need to repair, put them under him. Then we're off to the inner bottom plates and we first need to get some interior bits out before we're going all crazy on the welding and grinding of the inner panel. So let's get some more interior stuff out so that won't be damaged and find a place for it, because we are not ready yet on rearranging the shop and getting some more storage place, but we're working on that. So, interior bits out. It's been a while since I did that, but I should know my way around. Well, probably most of y'all will know one of the oldest school tricks on getting the wiper handles out, and I just wanted to show you all anyways. And there we are. Okay, that's some more interior stuff out. I'm going to put some welding blankets inside to protect the rest, and now we can start getting the floors ready, getting the trailing arm construction ready, building up again. Let's go. Okay, so that's the left side, driver's side prepared. Everything is in weld through primer. So on to get some dry and weld them together. And that can be welded in. Weld that one on. Let's first start now with the right side on. So let's go and get some stuff welded in. And then we're ready for the floor panels. Okay, now I want some extra reinforcement, so I'm going to weld some spot welds along the line. Well, this is looking like a good sitting new trailing arm point. Well, isn't that lovely? How about this? What do you all think? Will it come loose again? Nah, I don't think so. This is welded up pretty good. So we can clean out the inside now. Weld through primer on there again, so it will be protected. And and then on the outside, grind everything down, put some protective layer over it. And then actually, I think my new bottom plate is done for today. I am really happy on this result. It's sitting really nice and fitting really nice, sitting good, welded really good. Everything went smooth. Finally some smooth days again. I'm happy about that. So we're making progress again. I think this is looking really nice. Let's clean this out and let's get some protecting on it, and then we're off to the next. Well, that is a really big step closer on the Kadett. They are in again and I find them sitting really nice. So the trailing arm supports are back in, everything is flattened out, all the welds are in. And yes, I am happy on this. One shiny ass freaking new stuff in it. Even with the protective layer on it, it is way better. Oh man, am I happy. This just became so damn good. So now the next stop is to get the floor panels out. They are pretty long and I want to try and remove them all the way to the reinforcement beam that is in the center of the bottom. So I'm probably going to grind it down halfway the center beam so we can weld it on the connection of the center beam. But they put some layers of, I don't know, kind of shit over original underbody chutes, but it's really hard. So let's try to see if we can remove a piece on where we need to weld, and then we can cut out the rest of the bottom plates. Well, guess what? What do we find when getting some underbody chutes off? Of course, you could tell me rust, more crazy points of rust. The never-ending story, I guess. I'm going to take the complete bottoms out anyway, and I'm going to clean out the complete bottom anyway, but still keep finding more rust. So freaking... Over here, I think it's already going through. And over here as well. Man, this side. Oh, it's the same. Man, what the fuck is happening over everywhere? So they are clean, but again seems to find really good spot welds. So let's see how the bottom plates are and how far they are. Okay, so now we can see the shape. I was thinking that the shapes over here, what we made clean now. So we should be able to get this piece at the end of the road. Let's see, here's this indent, if we can find that. So, this is the indent. This is what I cleaned out. Here should be the beam. So, this is the point where I want to cut the floors out and then completely renew them. There should be spot welds over there, because that's the beam, and that should be over there. So I think I'm going to just cut it out over there and make some room to see what we got to play with. Well, at least now we really got some big holes. Hello car, hello you. Playroom, it's all playroom I guess, to get stuff fixed again. But it's getting worse and worse what I'm doing I guess. Man, never expected when we started this project that I was going to cut out the complete floors and go all in. Never intended this. But I'm glad everybody likes it. Please like and subscribe to the channel to keep us helping growing, and so we can keep doing this crazy project for you all and show you some tips and tricks, and of course make you laugh and have some fun on me trying to rebuild a crazy Kadett. But we got floors out and stuff to do. Better way to film all the way on the other side, standing through the floors. So I think the best way is to start removing the side, because we're going to join that on there again. That's the easiest way. This side and that side are the most welding and the most tricky stuff. There is some rust over there again. So let's try to clean this side and the other side where we're standing now out. See how much rust will be under there, get the spot welds drilled out and work from there to see if we can get some new floors in. Damn you man, what a holes. But everything is out on the side of the rockers. On the other side I need to see still how far we are going and what we're going to do. But this is the first start on the panels. I think we can probably lay one panel in. Well, it doesn't fit because of the reinforcement brackets that are in. I was thinking about taking those out. That's even more crazy. Reinforce the chassis a little bit with some steel and then take, or maybe at least once a piece, take the reinforcement out. So if we take that out, so I was thinking to get this one out, then I can make a nice welding spot on this point, weld it all in, grind it flat, and then put that back over it, and then we connect both all of the sheet metal together. But that means more drilling and more shizzle manizzles. It is really starting to get a never-ending project. We're going, and we still got all the way to the back to go. So funny this, huh? We can take these rust spots out if we do that. So, well, probably I'm going to do that. Sometimes I need to think a little bit on, or motivate myself on doing all of this, because it doesn't earn any money. It's just for fun and just about doing and showing you all. So buy my hoodie so we can invest a little bit more in this. Yeah, well, I'm just going to take it out and then I can lay the bottom plate in, we scrape it down and we can work from there. Well, that is it for another quick restoration update. Well, it's not going quick. We got these big holes and we need to do something with that. We got the panels, but it's all done for today. We are ready to close out this episode. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel. Oh, check the link in the bio. We got the pre-order out for the hoodies. So get some hoodies, help us grow the channel, and see you all in the next episode. Thank you.